Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete Mile. The flexible version of our most comprehensive service contract with all advantages of Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete, including repair and maintenance and wear and tear parts. Always in combination with Mercedes-Benz Trucks Uptime. This service contract is dynamic in its kind, and all processes are digital. Most importantly, the monthly rate is calculated according to your driven mileage. You pay exactly as much as you drive. Thus, your cash flow will be optimized, a good choice, especially for customers with volatile incoming orders, as the rate adapts to the current business situation. The service contract is available in many European countries. Ask your dealer for Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete Mile.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.